Taco soup is a staple in my house. Let me tell you, when it's cold outside, honey, I run to the taco soup, right? My boys ultimately love this soup. Why? Because you get to have chips with it, honey. Chips for dinner, I'm sure any kid would love it. Plus, you're gonna have your toppings that you put in it once it's done. So, hence the name, taco soup. And you get to layer your ingredients in there after it's done, just like a taco, right? So in this taco soup today, guys, I have 2.5 pounds of ground beef here, right? You can also do some ground turkey if you didn't want as much fat. A lot of times I do use ground turkey to get that color that I like when I'm doing meat. I just tip a little of my browning in there to make my meat less white, right? And it looks like it's getting cooked, right? And so to that also, I have some fire roasted tomatoes, right? And I love the fire roasted tomatoes to give like a little extra to it, right? And then pinto beans, like you can use some red kidney beans with this also, but I really just like the texture of the kidney beans in this. And then I have some corn. Today I'm just gonna use 1 can of corn, but normally I'll do like 2 cans, but because I'm doing like 2.5 pounds of that, and I cooked corn last night, child, so I was like, okay, corn overload. But anyway, so I got some corn in there. Now I have me some onions, because I'm gonna saute up that ground beef, right? Some bell pepper, and then I have some garlic, because y'all know I cannot cook without my garlic, honey. And then I'm gonna have me some herbs, like I have the Italian seasoning bottle that comes with different types of herbs in there, so you'll use that, right? When you don't have fresh herbs. It's really cold out here, it's like wintry out here, so my fresh herbs out back is just not urban right now. But anyways, I'm gonna get some the bottle herbs and use that, right? And then to pair with this beautiful taco soup, some red wine, of course, honey. I am using some ground beef. So with red meat, I tend to like red wine with red meat, right? So this is the Malbec that I'm gonna use. It's a wine from Argentina, right? And it's a 2019 Malbec that I'll be pairing with my taco soup today, all right? All right, guys, so I'm about to dive into making this taco soup with y'all. Y'all ready? Let's get into it, honey, because I'm hungry. All right, y'all, so I'm adding my olive oil. I'm adding my white onions to the pot right now, okay, with my green bell pepper. Give that a little stir, you know, get that a little mixing going on. To that, I'm also gonna add that Italian seasoning blend that I said that has some thyme, some oregano, some marjoram in there. Get that in there along with my favorite, some garlic, right? Now go ahead and saute all of that good seasoning together. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our ground beef added into that. And go ahead and break that up good, y'all. Mince up your beef good and get your seasoning blend mixed into that real well, right? Now we're gonna start with our bottle seasoning. Get that taco seasoning, your favorite taco seasoning in there, right? Get a good amount in there, a good amount. And then from there, you're complete. My complete seasoning, that's my K seasoning with my garlic powder, my salt, my black pepper, and get that also mixed in well into your beef, right? Stir that thing good, break that meat up. So since there's not a lot of liquid in there, I don't have nothing to really drain, right? Which is great. And so from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add my canned stuff. Like, remember I got my fire roasted tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding those in. Juices and all, okay? Gonna add in my second can. Next to that, we're gonna go ahead and add our pinto beans. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my corn to that. All right, y'all, so I'm switching pots right now because my other pot, even though I love how it sautés, it just wasn't big enough for my taco soup. So I got my big Dutch oven right here. See, I got more space in this pot here, because now that I done added everything, I need to come in here and add some water. Now for this, I may add like, just starting out like a cup of water to see, but then I see that I want more liquid. I want more liquid in there because I'm gonna have this simmer for a little bit, right? Taco soup is one of the easiest meals to make. Let me tell you, when it's cold outside, like I said, taco soup is my go-to meal for my family, right? You know, after you've had a busy day at work and you just want to come home and get something real quick on the table, that's taco soup, right? And so here it is right here, my finished product. And I told you I have some ingredients that I like to put inside my taco soup. So you know, like your ingredients that you put on your tacos, that's what I like, except for the lettuce, of course, right? So that's the only ingredient that I don't recommend putting inside your soup, but you do whatever floats your boat, honey. All right, so to my taco soup, y'all, right, I like to add my jalapenos, which I call them jalapenos. So I add me some jalapenos to this. Not gonna add too much to it, but just enough to get my taste buds going, right? All right, and then I know I have some fire roasted tomatoes in here and some beans in there already, but I also like my salsa, and it's a bean salsa, right? It's a black bean salsa. So I got pinto beans in here, and I'm gonna have some black beans from my salsa. So I drop a couple dollops of that also into that, right? All right, and then I shredded me some white cheddar. This is some white cheddar cheese, right? You put as much in there as you like. And I like to just leave mine over to the side like that, so as I'm eating my soup, it don't just get lost in the soup, right? So you can eat it different ways. You can eat it like you eating a nacho and you just go right on in there and do it, but let's pray first. You can go in like you're doing a nacho, just like that. She know what she doing in the kitchen, honey. So I scoop me a little bit of the cheese to the side like that, right? Then I give me some more chips, break them up in there like that, and then eat it like, boom, like a soup, right? Just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in, finish my bowl. You tell me how you liked it when you try it, right? Let me know if you added something extra to it or you took something away from it. What ingredients, what toppings did you choose to put in yours? Like typically I like sour cream to go on mine too, but it just all depends on my stomach that day. So I ain't got it up here today because I'm rocking with some cheese. I ain't want to do cheese and sour cream, you know what I'm saying? But tell me what you put in yours, right? So guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because when I hit out another video, you want to be first to be notified, right? And let me know in the comments, what should I make next? Give me your point of view. What do you think I should make next? I'm willing to try it, all right, guys? So till next time, be good to each other and take care of yourselves, right? See you later.